Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about fire extinguishers, and especially if you have a wood-burning stove. Sometimes you don't want to be throwing a bunch of water on a fire in the wood-burning stove or something around that catches on fire, because you're going to cause other problems. So one of the things I want to talk to you about is a fire extinguisher. You want to make sure that always that your needle here is in the green. But you need to take care of your fire extinguishers at least twice a year with special handling. The best time to do that is when the clock is set forward or set backwards, until we get rid of daylight savings time, that is. But you take it, you want to make sure that the powder inside stays loose. So you need to turn upside down and give it a little shake, and you should feel the powder slide from one end back to the other. So you want to get, move it around a couple times, make sure it stays nice and loose in there and ready to be used. Alrighty? So, with that, remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, skills. And before I leave you with, I want to put a link to a video up here that you may enjoy. I'll put a playlist down here. I will put another video over here, and I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound up here. And I'll see you in the next video.